Son divine, one with God before all time, lay aside his robe of light, clutching not his equal right. See him as a servant born, taking on our human form. Make his humble mind your own, serve your brothers here below. See the Christ, the Son of Man, in obedience to God's plan, take for us a sinner's death, gasping out his final breath. See him on the cross of blood, proving there his love for God. Trust the Father with your life, he will turn all wrongs to right. See the Christ, the Son divine, in his radiant place above, now exalted, raised on high,